is not my relationship, this is my relation. This is not my position in time, this is not my nation. I am a citizen of the world. I am a boy, you are a girl. You can't hold it against me. I just want you to hold it next to me. I love you like you love me. So why do we fight? Why do we stay up arguing late at night? Why can't we just be at one with one another? Sisters, loving their brothers. Cause I watch too much TV sometimes. Sometimes I read Miss Magazine sometimes. Tell me how I need to be emancipated sometimes. I like to put the eyeliner right below the line so you can read between those lines and see how I am, and it ain't fine. Hear it all the time, cause I'm out there tuning into what's going on at the end. But when I begin, it seems like it's just low self-esteem, cause I'm trying to dream bigger, I guess. It's time I need to clean up and clear up this mess. Heard me out there for like 25 years. I was growing, I was learning all kinds of things, but nothing I was really knowing. I was watching all kinds of things, but there wasn't really things I was seeing. I was trying to do many things, but it wasn't really me I was being. So now I'm out here to try to set the record straight, try to get with people, you know, try to really relate, try to put down my iPhone and turn off the damn TV. Try to get with people and just love and just be. So when they heard me and they saw me out there in the streets, they shook my hand and smiled and waved, they tried to greet. I said, man, this is for you, this is the love I'm trying to give. This is the music we do, come on man, let's get together and just live. Touch your energy, I swear. Never divide us, no way you can fight us. We acknowledge to divide. No longer, the more we love, we get stronger. Divide us, no way you can fight us. Never divide us, no way you can fight us.